Okay, so first off, welcome to the channel. My name's Sean. I'm going to talk to you today about a little circuit that I use sometimes if I want to charge my phone or power up some devices, solar-powered devices, solar-powered circuit with no batteries, just solar. So first off, we've got SparkFun SunnyBuddy version 1.3. This one is modified by myself. It's got a couple of jumpers and some pin headers and a different socket here, and this cable which I use to connect it to a load when I'm using it for other things. These jumpers, basically, this allows me to measure the voltage from the solar panel. This one allows me to measure the current going out to the batteries or the load, and these are just status pins that I don't really use. And that is powered by a standard Halfords 12 volt car charge solar panel, and this is the cable here. It comes in, the panel is in the window at the moment, although it is going slightly dark. Next is the Microelectronica UPS click, which is stuck in the breadboard. There we go. And it is a supercapacitor charger, and there's just one tiny little chip in the center there. People familiar with the board might notice that I've taken out the 3.3 farad capacitors that are normally on it because they don't last very long, and I've replaced them with these two humongous 400 farad AVX capacitors, although they are in series, so I do only get 200 farads only. So I'll pop that back in there. So just as a size comparison, this is the standard capacitor that comes with the board, and these are the new ones that I put in. Obviously they don't fit on the board, hence the jumper cables. And then the last board is an Adafruit Power Boost 1000. This is just the boost, this is not the charger version, with a JST connector on the bottom, which I can directly connect to the SunnyBuddy when it's powered by batteries, or I can use it in this circuit with some jumper cables. What I do usually have attached to the SunnyBuddy, I've got two SunnyBuddies, and I've made up some battery packs. These are just 4 18650 cells in parallel with the JST which connects to the board there. So that's how they're normally wired up in my workshop, and I've got two of those with a battery pack each. But just for this experiment, we're going to attach directly with jumper cables and no batteries and see how we get on. So first off, I'm going to connect the positive and negative of the SunnyBuddy to power up the UPS board. And then I'm going to take a screwdriver this time because of these annoying little terminal blocks, and I'm going to put some jumper cables on the output of the UPS board. And I'm going to take the positive to this one and the negative to this one. I could use the headers on the side as well, but we'll just use it like this for now. You can see that it's powered up, but it has actually got the low battery indicator on it because I haven't got any power coming into the circuit from the solar at the moment. So let's see if that makes a difference. Nope, I think it's too overcast at the moment, so let's just plug in a power meter and see what we're getting at the moment. So we've got 5.15 volts, and we're not drawing any power at the moment, so let's plug in my smashed phone. Smashed because I dropped it out of a lorry, but we won't talk about that. And there we go, that's charging my phone right now. Just at the moment, I don't think there's any power coming in from the solar panel, so this is charging just from the power that's in the supercapacitors. Let me just zoom out a little bit. And there's my multimeter, so we can do some measurements. So as you can see, the voltage is dropping already, so we must only be on supercapacitors. Let's just measure the solar power. We have 4.48 coming from the solar panels, which is not a lot. And we've got 2.67 in the supercapacitors, which is why the low battery indicators come on the Adafruit board. But it is still actually charging the phone at 200 milliamps at the moment. So I guess I'll try again when it's a bit sunnier. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments, questions, and if you like the channel, I know it's my first video, but if you do like the channel, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Bye.